Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now as can you see here, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone, swipe with your finger here to the left side, and that's it. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just tap on one from the volume buttons. Just you should go out from the settings, tap on one from the volume buttons, and here tap on the three dots here. And as can you see, we got here the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone, swipe here with your finger to the down, and just by this way you can mute also your ringtones. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.